That's not sheetrock. That's calcium.
This is an extreme capsular contracture around an old breast implant, and the contracture was so aggressive it calcified like the shell of an egg. I see this type of stuff too. Check this out. This is my patient who had an old saline implant with a horrible contracture. This is reaction of the body around the implant. Dr. Subio and Ricky Brown wouldn't have any idea what to do with this.
Okay. So this is the implant here that I have cut, and then this is the scar tissue. Take a listen. It's calcified like the shell of an